Here, welcome to tonight's bingo draw. Today everything is going to be okay. First ball out, number 6. Second ball out, number 26. Third ball out, number 19. Fourth ball out, number 54. Fifth ball out, number 4. Sixth ball out, number 18. Seventh and final number is number 23. Main numbers for tonight are 4, 6, 18, 19, 23, 26 and 54. First supplementary for tonight is number 27. Second supplementary for tonight is number 28. Wow, these are close. Third and final supplementary for tonight is number 44. Supplementaries for tonight are 27, 28 and 44. That was tonight's bingo draw. I'll see you all in a minute. Bye for now.